Welcome back to Car OG 765, the channel where we explore the most legendary classic cars, vans, and motorhomes ever built. Today, we are taking a ride back to the golden age of American road travel with one of the most unique and unforgettable motorhomes ever created, the 1976 Dodge Travco. If you love vintage RVs, classic Dodge styling, and old-school road trip culture, then this is a vehicle you absolutely need to know about. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Car OG 765 for more amazing classic vehicle stories from America's automotive history. The 1976 Dodge Travco was not just a motorhome. It was a symbol of freedom, adventure, and family travel during the 1970s. At a time when Americans were discovering the beauty of cross-country road trips, the Travco stood out as one of the most futuristic and stylish recreational vehicles on the road. Even today, nearly 50 years later, this legendary RV still has a strong fan base across the United States. One of the first things people notice about the 1976 Dodge Travco is its iconic rounded body design. Unlike the boxy motorhomes of today, the Travco looked smooth, aerodynamic, and modern for its era. Its fiberglass body construction was revolutionary because it helped reduce rust problems while giving the vehicle a sleek appearance. Many enthusiasts believe the Travco was decades ahead of its time in terms of design. The front of the vehicle carried classic Dodge styling with a bold grille, large windshield, and strong road presence. Driving one of these on the highway in the 1970s must have felt incredible. It looked more like a futuristic touring machine than a traditional camper. That unique appearance is one of the biggest reasons collectors still admire the Travco today. Under the hood, the 1976 Dodge Travco was powered by a massive Dodge 440 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary engine was known for its strength, durability, and smooth highway performance. While fuel economy was never its strongest point, the power and reliability made it perfect for long-distance travel. Owners could confidently drive across America with enough power to handle mountains, highways, and heavy loads. Inside the Travco, comfort was the main focus. The interior felt more like a small apartment than a vehicle. Families could enjoy comfortable seating, sleeping areas, a kitchen, storage cabinets, and even bathroom facilities depending on the configuration. During the 1970s, this level of comfort on the road was considered luxurious. It allowed people to travel without relying on hotels or restaurants every night. One of the most fascinating things about the Dodge Travco is how well many examples have survived. Even today, you can still find restored Travcos at RV shows, classic car events, and campgrounds across America. Some owners completely modernize the interiors while keeping the classic exterior design intact. Others preserve them exactly as they left the factory, creating a true time capsule from the 1970s. The 1976 model year was especially memorable because it represented the peak era of American road trip culture. Families would pack their belongings, start the engine, and explore national parks, beaches, mountains, and small towns across the country. The Travco became part of countless family memories, vacations, and adventures. Another reason enthusiasts appreciate the Travco is its strong build quality. Many RVs from the 1970s disappeared over time due to rust or structural problems, but the fiberglass construction of the Travco helped it survive much longer than many competitors. That durability is one reason collectors continue searching for these vehicles today. Driving a 1976 Dodge Travco today is a completely different experience compared to modern RVs. There are no giant digital screens, advanced cameras, or electronic driving systems. Instead, drivers experience pure old-school American motoring. The sound of the V8 engine, the large steering wheel, and the vintage dashboard create a nostalgic feeling that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. For YouTube creators and classic vehicle enthusiasts, the Travco is also an excellent subject because it attracts attention everywhere it goes. People love seeing vintage RVs on the road because they represent a simpler and more adventurous era. Videos featuring classic motorhomes often perform very well online because viewers enjoy both the nostalgia and the unique design. Many collectors now consider the Dodge Travco one of the greatest vintage motorhomes ever built. Prices for restored models have increased over the years, especially for examples with original interiors or upgraded modern features. Some owners even convert them into luxury vintage campers while keeping the iconic exterior appearance untouched. The Travco also influenced future RV designs in many ways. Its aerodynamic shape inspired later motorhomes, and its reputation for comfort helped establish expectations for long-distance recreational travel. Even though RV technology has advanced significantly since 1976, the Travco still holds a special place in automotive history. Imagine driving this beautiful machine along historic American highways like Route 66. The large panoramic windshield, the powerful V8 sound, and the freedom of the open road would create an unforgettable experience. That is exactly why so many people still dream about owning one today. The 1976 Dodge Travco was more than just transportation. It represented independence, exploration, and the joy of traveling with family and friends. It captured the spirit of 1970s America perfectly, and decades later, it continues to inspire collectors, travelers, and classic RV fans around the world. Thank you for watching Car OG 765. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1976 Dodge Travco, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about your favorite classic RV, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories about rare American vehicles, vintage campers, and legendary classics. See you in the next video.